Ripple, one of the largest and most influential blockchain firms in the world, is currently embroiled in a legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The SEC has accused Ripple of illegally selling unregistered securities in the form of its XRP tokens. The trial has been ongoing since December 2020, and Ripple has argued that the SEC's claims are baseless and that the XRP tokens do not qualify as securities. In the latest update, U.S. Defense Attorney James Phelan tweeted on March 3, 2023 that Ripple filed a letter in line with the recent Supreme Court case that backed the blockchain firm's fair notice defense. Background: the SEC first brought the lawsuit against Ripple in December 2020, alleging that the company had violated securities laws by selling unregistered securities. The SEC has argued that the XRP tokens, which are the native tokens used on the Ripple protocol, are securities and that Ripple has failed to register them with the SEC. Ripple has vehemently denied the accusations and has argued that the XRP tokens are not securities, and therefore do not require registration. The Supreme Court case. The Ripple vs. SEC case has been closely watched by the cryptocurrency community, as the outcome of the case could have far-reaching consequences for the industry. The case also has implications for Ripple's legal battle with the SEC, as the SEC has cited a Supreme Court case from 2017 in support of its argument that the XRP tokens are securities. The 2017 case, SEC vs. W.J. Howe Company, established that a security is an investment of money in a common enterprise with a reasonable expectation of profits derived from the efforts of others. Ripple's filing. On March 3, 2023, U.S. Defense Attorney James Phelan tweeted that Ripple had filed a letter in line with the recent Supreme Court case. The letter argued that the XRP tokens do not meet the definition of a security as established in the 2017 case, as they do not involve an investment of money, nor do they involve a reasonable expectation of profits derived from the efforts of others. Ripple's fair notice defense. In addition to filing the letter, Ripple has also invoked the fair notice defense. The fair notice defense states that the SEC is required to provide fair notice to potential investors of the types of investments that are considered securities under the law. Ripple has argued that the SEC failed to provide this fair notice when it filed the lawsuit against Ripple and that the SEC's failure to provide fair notice makes the case against Ripple invalid. Conclusion: the Ripple vs. SEC court case is an ongoing legal battle with far-reaching implications for the cryptocurrency industry. The latest update is that Ripple has filed a letter in line with a recent Supreme Court case, arguing that the XRP tokens do not meet the definition of a security as established in the 2017 case. Ripple has also invoked the fair notice defense, arguing that the SEC failed to provide fair notice to potential investors of the types of investments that are considered securities under the law. The outcome of the case is still unknown, and it remains to be seen how the court will rule.